adventure. I did. I got in the car. I grabbed the hubber. I drove the troll. We went down the street. I went into the Tuesday morning. I said, hi, nice ladies. They said, hi, lady. And then I went down the aisle and I went, oh my God, something exploded up in here. So I got all kinds of cool stuff. I actually got like almost 20 minutes worth of video, so I'm going to show you guys a couple of the highlight clips and then I'll show you what I got, okay?
Oh my God, guys, they're back. All right, so here's what we got. There is so much stuff. All right, so let's just get started. I'm like all weirded out. All right, so the first thing we do have is we do have some Magic pre-mixed pouring paints. This has Cell Magic in it, so, you know, it's got a little oil in it. This is $29.99, and you get 32 different paints in this one. 2, 3, 2, 7, 2, 6, 4. The starter kit for $17.99. Let's see, how many do you get in here? You get 1 drop cloth. That's important. Right? So it looks like you get 10 colors in this one, guys. $17.99. 2, 3, 2, 7, 2, 6, 2. And of course, they have all of the single sets down here. And these were $10.99. You get 4 colors in those. And then they have a supply kit for $4.99. You know, this is just your paint pouring cup and your stirrers and stuff like that. Nothing, you know, over the top. So, oh my God, let me show you guys what we got here. You are going to lose your minds. All right, so let's start with this. So first we have the Davenport Tins of Glances for $5.99. 2, 3, 4, 0, 3, 7, 8. So those are rubber stamps. You get 6 different stamps in there. All the different eyeballs. They have quite a few of those in. Eyes and stuff. And then more dilutions. We have these paint pens in for $7.99. 6 bright colors in those. Got quite a few packs of those in, so that's awesome. And let me get this out of here. This thing is heavy as heck. I don't know what the deal is here. This is the Jane Davenport brush set. They're magnetic for $8.99. 2, 3, 4, 0, 3, 8, 4. We got quite a few of those in as well. So looking good on that one. Then we got some Bo Bunny washi tape for $1.99. This one is just says craft patterned. So $1.99 on this one. 227 5812. Put that over there for now. All right. So then they had this. This is a creative diary. Includes weekly agenda pages, printed dilutions, backgrounds, and coloring sheets for creative planning for $11.99. 232 7786. So that's that one. Got a few of those in. Now, let's look at a few other things here, guys. So we got some dots in. These are crystal stickers, and they're in 3 packs. So you get small, medium, and large for $3.99. They got it in purple. They got it in jewels for diamond, in dark purple. They got black, and this one is black and white. So there's 4 packs in that one for $3.99, and they have green. You guys know how much I love green. So they got those. We'll put them back so other people can grab them because people are coming into the aisle now, and for some reason they get upset with me. I don't know why. Okay. Oh! Hold on. We got to pick up our mess. We can't leave a mess. Nope, 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 nope. We do not leave a mess in the store. Yeah, so that looks like they've got green, black, white, and the 2 shades, the purple. All right. So let's take a look at the next thing we got up here. So we did get in more Bo Bunny paper. This one's called Felicity. $3.99. You get 12 sheets of paper in that one. So we'll put that over there. All right, so now we've got a bunch of these photo play sets. So I'm just going to read them out to you so you guys can see they're all $6.99. And they all have 12 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided paper and a sheet of designer cardstock stickers. So this is the paper, and this is called Here and There. And these are the stickers. Okay. This one is called Paprika. This one's very boho. And here's the stickers. right? Okay, this one is called Fishtails. So you've got all your kind of fishy stuff and all of your stickers. This one, I love this. It's called the Mutt Cracker. It's a doggy Christmas for $6.99. And here's the stickers. How stinking cute is this? Right? Best mom ever. Here's your stickers. Then the next one is Belle Fleur. Here's your paper. Looks like this one has 2 sets of cut aparts in it. And then here's your stickers. School days. Here's your papers. And, of course, your stickers. Best dad ever, because we can't leave him out, right? And your stickers. One thing I do like about these particular ones, the photo plays, is they have this half sheet down here at the bottom. And so you can, like, cut this stuff out. It's really cool. No, oh, well, pun intended. There's all your stuff. And you got stickers. Kind of cute. Birthday boy wishes. There's your papers. Here's your stickers. They have a girl one too, I didn't pull it. Free bird. And stickers. I know there's so much of them, right? Squeeze in some fun. This one's like a summer theme. And your stickers. Now, last one for that group is this one, To the Moon and Back. And it's kind of a space theme, you know. There you go. All right, so that's kind of it for those. Now, they do have this one. This one is from Authentique for $6.99. This is called Snowfall. And this is... There's all your... I think these are cut aparts. Nope, they're stickers. Okay, so you get a sheet of stickers in here, and then you get your paper. But it doesn't really say on here, you know, how much is here or what's in it. But I'm imagining it's probably 12. So we got that. Oh! All right, and then they have this in. This is also from Authentique. This is a complete collection. It's a 12 by 12 paper pad for $9.99. And it is mixture of texture and flat cardstock and a variety of 2 themed papers per month with 12 blank calendar sheets. So, there you go. It's a calendar builder. This one is $9.99. 2322696. We're making a mess. And then they have this one in. This is DCWV Mrs. Claus's Kitchen. Let's take a look. Double-sided paper on this one. Stinking cute. If I had bought 14 Christmas pads yesterday, boy, I'd be doing this one today. But there it is. $6.99 on this one. 2322585. We have some more Bo Bunny here. This is Provence Harlequin. And so you've got this one here. This is $3.99. It's 25 sheets of paper. Okay, so you've got this one here. And this is the other side. And then you have this one, which is like the strips. And this is the other side. All right, so we have a little bit more Jane Davenport here. We have the Jane Davenport Storytime Paint Pens for $9.99, 2340379. I know I got these from someplace. There we go. All right, so what else did we get, guys? Put this one up. There we go. All right, so they also got these in. These are glue sticks for $3.99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 glue sticks. I don't think there's anything to the color other than, you know, they're colored. But those are from American Crafters. 2322105. All right, what else? All right, we have some media tape. Blank paper tape that can be easily customized using her mixed media stamps and stencils. Add color with this stuff here. You get 3 different ones here. One is 3/4 of an inch, one is 1 inch, and one is 2 inch. So they have that, the media tape. I have no idea where this came from. Probably over by the tape, right? Yep, there we go.
All right. So cool, right? I know. All right, so what did I get? Okay, I'll show you. So, I got this. This is from Simple Stories. It's a 6x8, 24 pages, double-sided. Oh my goodness. I love this. It's just very, authentic and real, and it's not like corny or over the top. And I just thought, this is cute. This is stinking adorable. Now, they did have the stickers for it, but the stickers were like planner stickers. So I was like, because I don't want to plan anything. Come on. Who wants to plan shit, right? All right, so what else did I get? Well, I got some of those crystal stickers. They're just so cute. So this is the black and the white. There's small, medium, and large on each sheet. See, that one's actually missing one. But there's a black set and kind of an off-white set. And so I got 4 of these for $3.99. And then there was this one. And this one is small, medium, and large. Glitter domes. Dome from Crystal Stickers for $3.99. So I grabbed those. All right, so what else did I get? So I also grabbed these. These are Dylusions washi tapes. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rolls in each one. I don't know. Not my cup of tea, but I know some people like them. So, I might throw them in a sale. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 14 rolls of Dylusions washi tape. We'll see. All right, get those out of here. So what else did I get? Oh. So there were only 2 of these in the whole store, and I took them. I took them. They're mine. I don't want them. I just wanted to have them. So these are the Tim Holtz Distress Crayons. So I grabbed those. It was 2 packs. I grabbed both packs. They had the bigger packs for $10, but I don't need an acrylic block. I don't need a stamp, and I certainly don't need 10 pieces of paper. So, and I don't need any idea books either. They're crayons. You put them on paper. You watercolor with them. Where you put them on originally does not go away. They're not that great, but, hey. Everybody else likes them, and who knows? I might blow them up in Hello Kitty. That's it, guys. That's all I got today. So, we got some of this, we got some of that, some of this, a little bit of this. If you haven't done so already and you're new here, do me a favor and hit the red button for me, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends, because then your friends can be my friends, and we can all be friends. Or friendly, or friendlier. I don't know. Till I see you guys again. Bye-bye.